like tonight, gotta find my way out, stuck inside this place now.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you this orange and blue smoky eye look. I mean, like, I've done that earlier as well, but another day, another makeup. So if you want to know how I got this super easy look right here, then please continue watching. So guys, for today's eye makeup look, I am going to use the Nikake New York palette, which has the perfect 23 shades, this one. And then I'm going to use my SFR, it's my pleasure palette, just for the shimmer shades. But right now, first I'm going to start with this. But before that, I'm going to tie my hair up. Let's do it. So I'm going to take my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and I'm going to apply that on my eyelid. So now I'm going to apply my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer on my eyelid so that the eyeshadow stays on. So after I'm done blending, I am going to take my eyeshadow brush. So I'm taking this PAX 329 eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to take my Nikake palette, and out of that, first I'm going to take the orange shadow, this one. I'm going to take this and start blending it in the crease and the outer part of my eye.
Gotta find my way out, stuck inside this place now. Feel out the right, all the things I say, I'll make them run away, but I'll keep trying. Backing away, I've seen this before. Yeah, you don't know it, but look at that face. I've seen that, I'm sure. Could love you, I'll show it.
So now I'm going to apply this peachy eyeshadow on the leftover part of my eye.
We're alright, I've seen this before. Yeah, girl, just trust me. Feel like tonight, find my way out, stuck inside this place.
So now I'm going to take this color right here, which is Mr. Sandman, and I'm going to apply that with this puffy brush only on the inner corners and up to the mid part of my eye. So now for my lower lash line, I am going to take this blue eyeshadow on this pencil brush right here, and I'm going to smudge it out on my lower lash.
Yeah, girl, just trust me. Feel like tonight, find my way out, stuck inside this place. Feel like right, all the things I say, I'll make them run away, but I'll keep trying. Feel like tonight, gotta find my way out, stuck inside this place now. Feel out the right, all the things I say, I'll make them run away, but I'll keep trying. Backing away, I've seen this before. Yeah, you don't know it, but look at that face. I've seen that, I'm sure. Could love you, I'll show it. Those broken eyes, yeah, those are things of the past, and those false stars.
So now I'm going to take my color stick kajal, and I'm going to apply that in my waterline as well as a very thin eyeliner.
Just trust me, feel like tonight. Find my way out, stuck inside this place. Feel like right. All the things I say, I'll make them right away. But I'll keep trying. I know you're lost, but girl, you will find. I'm glad that I found you. I'm more than you thought, not worth half your time. Give me one chance, I'm not through. Those broken lies, yeah, those are things of the past. And those false starts, don't jump the gun. We're alright, I've seen this before. Yeah, girl, just trust me. Feel like tonight. Find my way out, stuck inside this place. Feel like right. All the things I say, I'll make them right away. But I'll keep trying. Feel like tonight. Gotta find my way out, stuck inside this place now. Feel out the right. All the things I say, I'll make them run away. But I'll keep trying. Backing away, I've seen this before. Yeah, you don't know it, but look at that face. I've seen that, I'm sure. Could love you, I'll show it. And those broken lies, yeah, those are things of the past. And those false starts, don't jump the gun. We're alright, I've seen this before. Yeah, girl, just trust me. Feel like tonight. Find my way out, stuck inside this place. Feel like right. All the things I say, I'll make them right away. But I'll keep trying. I know you're lost, but girl, you will find. I'm glad that.
So guys, this is the final result. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the bell post notifications so that you guys get updated every time I post a new video. And also don't forget to add me on all my social media. The links are always in the description. Don't forget to add me there as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
I've seen this before.
Bye guys.
Yeah, girl, just trust me. Feel like tonight.